Ladies and gentlemen, you're in between the Wallet Pro and the Cardholder Pro by Ekster. Well, first and foremost, let me show you right off the bat. Number one, if you want more room, then the Wallet Pro, the leather version, is going to give you more room. It's a little bit thicker, as we can see right here, than the Cardholder Pro, which is aluminum. They both have very similar features. Now, before we do get started with the main features of this wallet, great news for you guys. Top link in the description box below this video, as well as the pinned comment, is going to be a direct link with a coupon code. Make sure you use the coupon code for 10% off whatever Ekster offers on their website. Tech backpacks, wallets, any of their gear, their luggage, whatever it might be, 10% off. Make sure you use that direct link and coupon code. It's going to be in the description box as well as the comments below. So now let's go ahead and show you the main features of these wallets. RFID blocking technology. Both have upgraded metal push buttons right here. Both have cash bands. Wallet Pro has the cash band inside it, but the Wallet Pro gives you an additional slot here as well as here. This is all attached. You can't take this apart at all. And then you have a slot right here as well. You can access the cards from the flap open or the flap closed, as we can see right here. Beautiful, beautiful wallet. Comes in many different colors. This is the tan color. It's absolutely beautiful. If you need more coupons, Costco card, room inside, then this is going to be your go-to. And let me just briefly show you if you have cards in these slots. That one is a little bit more visible. This one tucks in underneath and is definitely secluded. And then this one sticks out a little bit right there. So you can have your coupons, your cash, all that good stuff right there. Of course, your cash right there as well for the Wallet Pro in the tan color. If you want more of a minimalistic look, which you can stack more cash, coupons, and cards underneath the expansion plate, you do have your cash band right here. And let's go ahead and switch out the cards to this one. Everything works the same. Most use card on the front or back. Slap it on down. Again, you can have these cards underneath here or cash under here, or you could take the cash band off completely, remove the expansion plate for super minimalistic if you only just use a couple cards on you and don't need the extra room or cash. This goes with me everywhere I go: mountain biking, road bike riding, snowboarding. Put that in your pocket, put your snowboard pass in there. It's a no-brainer. I got my car key right in here as well. It's a really beautiful wallet. And so that is the major difference between the Wallet Pro, which is their leather version, this is the tan color, and the Cardholder Pro, which is in the tangerine orange color. And again, they are beautiful wallets, and what I love so much is I don't do Bluetooth, so I literally have my physical car key right in there. Once again, if you want 10% off, use that direct link below in the description box as well as the pinned comments. Get your 10% off. You're not going to regret it. You're not going to be disappointed. They're beautiful wallets, many different colors. Check it out. Check out their tech backpack out as well. My name's Chris. Your links are below. I'll see you on the next video. Take care for now. Bye.